Hello Loganathan.
Hello Aravind.
Now we are going to discuss about application case. This case is about social survivors in a flood hit. This is a flood which attacked Mumbai on July 26, 2005. Around 5,000 people have died. This was recorded as 8th heaviest rainfall. Here, John Alex is a HR of a national level non-government organization. He has 25 employees in his organization. Apart from 25 employees, there are 5 part-time employees who are willing to work at any time. John Alex did not give a formal job description to his employees. His employees know their work very well and they help each other during difficult times. So, as the water receded in the Mumbai city, most of the people in his organization have also affected. In order to take immediate action, he has to do a research to overcome the situation. But in this organization, among the 25 employees, there are only 3 employees who have experience in research methodologies. Unfortunately, these 3 employees have other work to do, so they cannot concentrate fully. Now, John Alex thinks that he have to hire 25 statistics final year students as a 1-month intern. Now, he thinks whether he had to give a formal job description by consulting with his employees. So, what is job description? Job description is an internal document which gives a complete specification about the job title, job overview, and the duties and responsibilities that each employee have to perform, and the skill and experience which are required for the job.
Yes, sir. Yes, I agree with you. Let's see about types of work in job description. Job description. There are 3 types of work in job description. The first one, work under immediate action. Second one, work under general direction, and last one, work under guideline policies. Now let's see about work under immediate action. As the name says, work under immediate action is the duty performed by the employee who receiving the detailed instruction. This is usually assigned by the employer. And second one, work under general direction. Work under general direction deceived that the assignment can be performed by the employee his own technique after receiving general instruction. And last one, work under guideline policies. Work under guideline policies mean that the employee can be completed the given task by the limited policies that are set by the organization and the legislative authority.
Yes, Loganathan, we are going to see about the types of job description. General purpose job description and specific purpose job description. In general purpose job description, it is all about the organization, which includes the duties of the worker and the performance standard. The benefits is that it will not consume much time and quick reports to the managers that can be done. The disadvantages is that it cannot submit the full-fledged information about the duties that is assigned. The second we are going to see is the specific purpose job description. The specific purpose job description compares of the particular description about the job, where it involves huge tasks for the employee should do. Helps the human resources members to submit the candidates what information is provided.
So, from this case, we come to know that job description is important in every organization. So, they have to issue the job description in every organization. Since John Alex did not issue the formal job description to his employees, the employees cannot perform during the emergency situations. So, for the 1-month internship students, he has to issue the job description which could clearly state the responsibilities and duties of each student, as they could face challenging situations soon after the flood. So now let's see the advantage and disadvantage of job description.
Disadvantages of job description. Job description in few cases tends to typecast the applicant. That means being an initiative or improving the methods and procedures are prohibited. It should be updated periodically, otherwise it may lead to outdated data or information. Time commitment towards the assigned work will play a major role in job description. It becomes outdated quickly, discourages the innovative ideas which may or may not take the enterprise to greater extent. Sometimes it does not meet the employee expectations.
Advantages of job description. A project lead or a team lead must have a higher range of profile which will help him to face the challenges in the other organization. Also, this helps him deal with the staff and the other business officials of the same community. To design and to deliver a project to an enterprise that help one for the changes of employability. Job description help one to support the career worker team to embed the new employee with practical entrepreneurial experiences into their curriculum and to providing guidance as needed. The concept of entrepreneurship employs the staff through innovative and cost effective